Recently, si Richard Gomez, dinox niya. Meron tayong tinatawag na doxing of media men. And because of an expose by a mayor in his district, nagkaroon siya ng issue related to the flood control projects in his area. And instead of answering yung mga allegations ng mayor, hindi siya nagpa-interview sa mga media at minura pa niya and tinawag niyang unggok. And these are what we call as doxing ang ating mga media men. And this is unacceptable, of course, from the point of view of journalists. Kasi although magkakapareho nga yung 6 or 7 na nag-text sa kanya para tanungin kung pwede siyang ma-interview para ibigay yung side niya, instead of responding nga, pabaliktad yung kanyang sagot. And worst of all, pinost niya yung mga cellphone numbers ng mga nagte-text sa kanya. And this is a violation of the Data Privacy Act. And sa Data Privacy Act kasi bawal i-post ang number and telephone ng mga taong kausap mo or taong nagte-text sa inyo unless they have given you permission. Kasi by exposing the names and the cell phone numbers of the media men, no, ni-screenshot niya ito tapos pinost niya sa kanyang Facebook, then that creates a dangerous precedent kasi it will put them into risk, itong ating mga media men. Although he has already apologized, but this did not remove the possible crimes of Republic Act 10173, Data Privacy Act. And even doon sa House mismo, sinasabi ni Congressman Puno that he should face an ethical complaint. No? Parang it was unethical on his part to act that way, considering he is supposed to be honorable.